smart notifications, heart rate tracking, sleep insights, seamless performance.
Stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, all from your wrist.
This is how I create UGC videos using this simple platform I'm about to show to you. Now come to your Google and type Google Whisk AI. Click on the first option here. Click on the enter tool to take you to this interface. First of all, let me run you through the interface if you don't understand how you can use this interface. Here is where you set your aspect ratio. You can make it portrait, you can make it square, and you can keep it landscape. So for today's tutorials, I'll be using portrait. This other option here is for, let's say, default prompt, a prompt guide that you can see, something like this. As you can see, a photorealistic woman wearing a cape made of water. So you can click to generate that if you really want to. So this is where we have the subject, scene, and the style. There are two different ways you can create images using Whisk AI. So the first method here is to come here and enter the text tool, then input your prompt here and then click on generate. So the next option here is to come here to your prompt box and then describe your ideas in order to generate the image. Let's say we want to create UGC videos for watch. First of all, I would like to attach the image of the watch. Come here to upload your image and then select any of your products. Now I would like to give you this kind of a prompt that says full camera shot, professional shot of African female model wearing a watch. Click on generate. As you can see here, it picks the watch very well and the model is wearing the attached watch that we had. This is another example of it. As you can see, the model is actually wearing that watch that we attach. Let's say you have another model that you want to wear this watch instead of the generated model you have here. Maybe you have an existing model. So what you can do here is come to this plus icon and click to add another subject. So click here to upload the image. Let's say for instance we want to give it to this model. So when you finish attaching your image, the next thing you can do is to click on generate. As you can see here, this is not accurate. This is very wrong, but this other model was able to make it very good. This is how you can bring in your own image in order to give it the product that you want it to wear. Another creative method that you can use here is through the LM Arena platform. Come to your LM Arena and click on the new chart. Come here and select direct chart and then select Gemini 3.1 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana. When you finish selecting that, the first thing you can do is to import your image. Let's say we want to use the same image that we use on Whisk AI. Click here to import your image. Click here to import your watch. As you can see here, we have two images attached, the model and the watch. You can give it a prompt like this that says the attached portrait in image 1 is wearing the attached watch in the image 2, modeling the beauty of the watch for the viewers. Feel free to tweak this prompt in order to fit the product you are trying to model and then click on generate. If you want to know how you can apply aspect ratio on LM Arena, this is the video for you. LM Arena has been able to generate the image with the watch. As you can see here, this looks so beautiful. So this is how you can generate your UGC images for your product. Another thing I also do is to come to this platform, Leonardo AI. Click on the first option here, click on start now. I would like to introduce you to the blueprint where you have options for ready-made AI template. On this interface, the one I like using most is the product model, where you can come here and search product model. As you can see, this is model holding product. Click here to choose your image and then click to upload your image and then click on next. So what you do here is to upload your product. Click on the upload icon and then click on the watch. This will charge you 120 credits. Don't worry, this will be charged from your free credit. When you log into Leonardo AI, you are entitled to free credit daily. The AI has finished generating our images. We have different options here. As you can see, this is the first options of the AI wearing the watch. This is the second option of the AI holding the watch. This is another option of the AI holding the watch and also wearing the watch. So for me, I would like to go with this. In order to download our image, just come over here and click on download image. Now let me show you how you can turn these images into video. Come to your Google and type Google Flow. Click on the first option here. Click on create with flow. Click on the new chart, and then on the interface, as you can see here, this interface is very different from the one we have previously. For some of you, you have image selected here. So if you have image selected here, come here and select video, and then come here and select portrait or landscape. Since our images are on portrait form, we'll select portrait. Then come here and select 1x. This is only going to allow it to generate with 20 credit, but if you choose 2x, it will double the amount of credits that you'll be using. Select your aspect ratio. Click on the start frame in order to import your image. Click here to import this other image. Click on open. Now this is what I want the character to say. As you can see here, the character says dialogue, stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, all from your wrist, and then click on generate.
Stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, all from your wrist.
Click here to say download. Click on 720p. This will automatically download your video. Now another thing I also do is to click on the extend, and this is what the extend will do for you. Click here to paste what happened next. As you can see, model taps the screen, transition between features of the watch, smart notification, heart rate tracking, sleep insight, seamless performance.
Smart notifications, heart rate tracking, sleep insights, seamless performance.
Stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, all from your wrist.
Here you also have the options for the camera movements if you have room for any, and you can also remove anything from the image if you have any, and also insert something on it if you have any.